Morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Hey, real quick, trying to get my tools together. Head over to my friend Philly and Robert's house. Change the plugs in his truck. It's an F150. And then I'm gonna come back here and know I didn't clean this mess up. So I still gotta, still gotta clean up when I get back. Got a friend coming over, gonna install his Mishimoto Radiator in his Scion. So let me grab these tools, go change these plugs out real quick, come on back, and we go from there. But you guys get to see it all today. But hey, anyway, thank you for subscribing. Those you commenting, I'm loving it. Thumbs up. And whosoever you are sharing the videos, get me those views, those subscribers. I appreciate it so much. I am loving it so much. Thank you. But anyway, let me get these tools, get out of here, and so I can get out back. All right, so told you I was coming to do the F150. I'm on the last plug now. Got my groove, so I forgot to record, but here's the one sticking out. The one's going in. Don't worry, that's just grease. Keep it from season. And we did the air filter. It was real nasty. And putting on new coil packs. So that's pretty much it. Being about an hour. So put new coil packs in. So it was burning gas horribly. Hopefully this will fix the problem, and we'll see from there. But anyway, let me get back to it, and I'll just keep watching. Alright, got done with the F-150. Took me, I got here 9. We had to go to the store, come back, about an hour and a half. 6 plugs, coil packs, clean the K&N, get all that done. So I'm gonna head home now, get the garage somewhat clean for the Scion to show up, and install his Mishimoto Radiator. So should be about an hour on that one too. Quick day. Hopefully I can edit this one and get it up to y'all before Friday. Go back to work tomorrow. You know how that goes. But, hey, as always, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. And keep sharing the videos. Alright? Alright, so I just got home, and let me turn the light. Yeah, just got home. That don't make no difference. But anyway, I should have cleaned this mess up when I had a chance. I had both Saturday and yesterday, but I didn't. Anyway, guys here on his way. The Scion, I got to move the car out of the way, clean this junk out so you can pull the car in, and get started on this. But let me set this up. So, man.
Everything seems to go wrong with the car now.
Yeah?
Yeah, the handbrake light stays on and my speedometer is not working either.
The for your handbrake,
Yeah.
lift the take the center console up and the little knob. You just gotta tighten that all loosen it.
Okay.
That's pretty much all it is. Pop this real quick.
You can see how windy it got yesterday by looking at the lip. you can tell how windy
Oh,
it
yeah.
is.
Alright, so 08 Scion TC Mishimoto Radiator installed. Alright, quick and easy. The car's cooled off. It's been here for at least 45 minutes. We're gonna go drain fluids and swap them out. Alright, so we ran into a little issue. The radiator he has is for manual cars only. For automatic transmissions, we gotta get an oil cooler. So we gotta order that from Mishimoto and hit it again Friday. Possibly when it comes in. So yep. Today was a practice day, but now we know exactly the process, disconnecting, taking stuff out, and so Friday it shouldn't take us that long either. So we're almost there till we realize there was 2 condenser lines on his, only one, well 2 on the Mishimoto radiator, but they're both at the top instead of on the same side where they should be. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna go get some antifreeze, top your stuff back off, and get them out of here. Well, there you have it. Team Defiance was in the house. Trying to get his Mishimoto radiator installed. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it so much. We are on our way to 1,000. I need your guys' help to get there. And if some of you guys out there feel like collaborating, Alamo, I apologize. It's been taking so long, but got our package from Alamo Autosports. And you know, open it real quick, show you guys exactly what I received. Get this in the video. There we go. Those of you who build motors know exactly. It's a head bolts. It's the best for going forced induction. Help to keep the cylinder head and the block together. No warping, none of that crazy stuff. So, hey, thanks again, Alamo Autosports. And also, I didn't want to put it on because it's white, but it says Soka lives here. This is from a family member of mine. He's a Calypsonian, a music artist back in Antigua. He currently lives in New York, I think. Yep, New York. And I'm gonna put his Instagram and the link to his site to get these shirts. But it says Soka lives here. His brand is Super Apparels, and he goes by the name of Super Mario. Hey Mario, thanks. Appreciate it. I would wear it, but it is white, and you know, it's all dirty in here. So again, thank you. All right.